So I'll show you how you can use T-Money using newest or iPhones. Go to setting and go to wallet and Apple Pay here. If you go to Express Transit Card, click here and check on the T-Money. These, you can just tap and go express mode. That's what you have to do. So when you double click, go to T-Money, it's gonna have 0. You won't be able to add any funds because you have US credit card. It only accepts Korean credit card. To bypass that, you click on this 3 dots over here and go to card details. Then you scroll down and click turn on service mode. Right now it's on service mode. Ticket vending and card reloading device at the subway station. What you do is double click, T-Money come out, then click here, triple dot, card details, scroll down, turn on service mode. Okay? You just put it, pick the amount that you want to recharge. I'm just gonna put $1 to show you. $1, and I'm just gonna put it. Okay? Just leave your phone there. It's charging. See 45, 90, 900 to 46, 900. Then that's it. I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna be using my iPhone as a T-Money card. If I double click the side, T-Money is here. And I have $45.35 there. I'm gonna close this app. See, there's nothing. I just have only one app open. And I'm gonna turn it off. My phone is off. This is the subway station entrance. I'm just gonna do NFC. See? That's it. It just recognized immediately. $43.80. So I think it took about $1.50. And again, to calculate the Korean won to US dollar, you just take out 3 zeros and it's basically $43. Okay, just got off the subway. Now I'm gonna scan NFC. See, that's it. They know that I exited the subway station. So now you no longer have to carry these T-Money card or the WOW card with the T-Money sign. So you can just use iPhone to go through subway system here.